YouTube, this is boy You Trippin' TV here. Man, I ordered the new, been out for a while, Bird electric scooter. You guys can see how fast it go and more and all that. I will be unboxing it right away, so let's go ahead and get into this right now. Alright, y'all can see the scooters inside here. This box here, we're gonna take everything out right now. Let's go ahead and take it all out. Man, this handlebar is heavy. Hold up, what we gotta take out first? Take this out front. Let you guys see it when we set it all out. Alright guys, here we go. Got the bill. You guys can see it says Bird, the battery pack right here, and shit like that. We just gotta connect everything now, guys. What we're about to do right now. That's where we can see what kind of wires this thing have and match the color with the color code. So we're gonna connect them out. You guys already see that I'm having a good time setting this up. I'm gonna get back with you guys when we get this thing fully set up. Let's go. I gotta wire this up and everything and tighten it up. See you guys then. What up, YouTube? Yeah, we back with it. Here's the riding scooter right here. This is with the full view when it looks like when it's outside. As you guys can see, I've been had it on the charger for like an hour now. So it's probably like halfway charged up in some type of way. Is the red button still on? Yes, the red button's still on, but look, it's on 29. The battery's on 29, which is still good. We're gonna wait till like 210 or 220 to take it off. Yeah, let's wait till 220 to take it off. We'll take it off. Hope you guys enjoy the unboxing video. Like I said in the front, it says powered by Segway. It has a Segway charger. Plug it up right here. It has an extra battery right there. That's the extra battery right there. So if y'all don't use that at all, you guys can use this extra battery and it gets you around. I guess it takes 3 to 5 hours to charge up, and I spent $453 with no insurance, so I'm going to take care of it. And yeah, you guys going to have stuff. Make sure you guys be able to buy nice things that you want to buy. You know what I'm saying? Take care of yourself. Go shopping, look out for yourself, look out for your relatives, your family members around you. And everybody stay tuned to the channel. Got this do-rag going because, the reason why I got this do-rag going is because, man, I have my hair kind of a little screwed up. My dreads, I just got them done like about 4 days ago, and they all like messed up a little bit again. So I'm gonna let this do-rag be on my head for a minute and probably take it off when I go to ride this. And I'm gonna get y'all some footage of me riding this too as well. So stay tuned, leave a like, let's go. All right, we on the scooter, y'all. Here we go. That boy going fast. We doing 16, y'all. Here we go. This boy fast. Alright guys, put this camera up before I drop it. Yeah, you guys can see the LED light now on the Bird scooter. That's how it works at nighttime. But yeah, make sure y'all do leave a like, man. Comment, like, and subscribe, bro. We're out. Peace.